what is going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be giving my little brother a dirt bike. And yes, it is off-brand. It's a little 50cc. But it is his first dirt bike. I don't know if he's going to like them or if he's going to ride a little bit and then be done with it or what. So I'm not spending $2,000 on a bike just for him to do that. So we picked this one up on Marketplace for like $4 or something. And seems to be starting good, running good. We do currently have it hidden in the house that I am building. So if you guys are wondering about the floors, things like that, it's being built. So don't mind all this. It was sitting outside, so the graphics are peeling. So I don't know if I'll peel them off, heat them up and stick them back, get new ones, what we're doing with that. But I do need to do a couple things like change the oil, fix that. So we're going to get those things done and surprise him with it. He has been asking for one, so hopefully he enjoys it. We'll start it up. You guys can see how it runs. Runs decent. Supposed to be two-stroke. It doesn't quite sound like a two-stroke. I could be wrong. Maybe just because we're not getting on it. And we're also in a house. So, yeah, no, it seems to be pretty decent. And, yeah, stick around. Subscribe if you guys like us giving surprises to people. He is 7, so he is going to be fairly excited about this one, I would hope. But, yeah. We'll catch you guys when we give it to him, I guess. Let's get some things done with it first. Yeah, it's one we put on there. Here I sit with Dad to town, and Dad's seat is where I'm found.
How can you rhyme so well?
Where at?
Hey, I thought you meant mine.
See it?
I'm looking.
Dad, did you go to town?
No, it's right there.
Oh.
These two make it even harder.
Hand the phone.
You want someone else hold the other paper?
Here the birds come to lay, but first they fill me full of hay.
What would that mean?
What did you stuck in there?
It's dry, whatever it is.
Is it this?
I don't know. You heard the clue.
Yeah, look for it.
Look. Come here. Come over here.
Said it's where they lay. See it?
There you go.
This is too easy.
Here I lay bright and orange, by the pond is where I'm foraged.
Bright and orange.
What's bright and orange by the pond?
By the pond.
I'll hold him.
It's bright and orange by the pond.
Bro, this is so easy. I just know this one so well. Is there gonna be another clue or what?
Gotta read out.
It's gonna be a number 5 or something.
Don't rip it. You may not find your present.
Push the fence. Push the fence and it'll come out.
There you go.
Got it.
One of these don't rhyme and I
Wait, hold on.
thought
Let me
about
see if it's a number 5.
flip it over.
Flip it over.
Yep.
There's a number 5.
I think it's this one that doesn't rhyme, but
This one.
yeah, read it.
Yeah,
I wear a
there's
crown
number
of
5.
red and
No,
my
like, skip.
feathers are neat.
Wait, what? I didn't hear that.
I wear a crown of red and my feathers are neat.
I don't have feathers.
Where do you think it is? What animal does?
What else?
I thought they were easy.
Red and my feathers are neat.
You have a little bit of red on my head.
I feed you. Is it Joseph?
Joseph.
I mean, you said a little bit of hair on
What
the-
animal
No, what do we
has
get every night?
what has a little red thing on their head?
What do I get every night?
This is so easy.
Oh yeah.
Stay right here, sister.
Make sure it gets close back. Close it back. Turn
There
it.
you go, bud.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Another clue.
Here I lay with your big surprise next to Joseph's fishing supplies.
Where's Joseph's fishing stuff at?
Right, get over here.
Out in the
Over here.
What's it say?
What does he say?
You gotta remember this stuff.
Here I lay with your big surprise next to Joseph's fishing supplies.
Yeah, it's neither out here or in his bedroom.
Where do I keep it?
Where did he? Because he's always fishing. So where does he keep it?
He's always going fishing. So he has it all the time.
None of them are mine.
Joseph keeps his boat put up somewhere. Yeah. What's his car filled with?
Well, then they're in his bedroom. They're not in the
They're not in the bedroom.
It's outside.
Where
It's in something outside.
Where does he put them whenever he goes fishing?
Where does he put his fishing pole?
Where does he put all of his fishing stuff when he goes fishing?
Over here?
Those aren't mine.
You don't put his stuff outside. It's in something. Yeah. It's always ready to go fishing.
No matter where he goes, he always has it with him.
So whether he
Is
drives
it in your hand?
No.
he don't have his
Not me.
fishing poles in his spot. Where do you think?
They're not where. He's always got them with him, no matter where he goes.
Yeah,
If he goes to town,
they're
he
with
has them
him.
with him.
I guess you would.
Where are
Where
they?
they at?
I
If
guess
you think that's where it is, go look.
Okay, I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see that.
That's the last one. It's your big surprise.
That's your present. Here's your 7.
That's your big surprise.
It's next to your surprise.
No.
Your present.
No.
He wasn't supposed to find
I
it.
got
Do you like it? Don't forget about Hannah and Mom and Dad.
Somebody hold.
You can make it go slow.
so don't hit the gas. You'll get used to it.
It's like your other one, kind of.
It's just like your other bike. It just makes noise.
Yeah.
The only difference.
Ride it like your other one.
Right?
It's like your old. Yeah.
You can do it.
It's just a little bit louder because it's gas.
Then you hit the brake. The brake's right here. Let off the gas, hit the brake.
Feel good as He's gonna run into a lunch route first.
Put your feet on the pegs. It's a lot better. Any Push this, stop it. Red button.
You like that?
I got wedgie.
See, it's just like your other one, just a little bit louder.
And you can ride it up the hill.
Yeah,
and ride
this
it down
one's
the
got-
road.
And here in a little bit, you can ride with Puff.
Right.
That's it.
You put your feet like it.
Good job.
Good job.
Oh, man, my head is so sweaty.
Now, wasn't that fun?
Yeah. I felt the wind and it didn't help my head.
Put your kickstand down, stand it up.
Huh?
On that side.
You like it?
All right.
Now, which one's your favorite present?
Maybe the,
Yeah, I thought so.
I felt the wind and it didn't help my head.
You're on video right now.
That make even more viewers.
Hi.
You got anything you want to say to the camera? Hold on.
Yes, we're gonna ride. Today we're gonna ride bikes over there.
Did you just get this bike for your birthday?
Yes, I did.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Mhm.
Alright, it's confirmed. He likes it. Now we gotta go ride, right?
Yes. That is confirmed.
Sound like a robot.
Yeah, I do. Because I have a robot dog.
Alright, you ready to go ride?
Yeah.
Nod your head. Nod your head if you're ready. Nobody's gonna be able to hear you. I got the mic. Alright.
No, the starting is over here. Today we're gonna
Ready?
ride some bikes.
Yeah, today we're riding bikes. You gotta give it some gas. Don't go too far out there. He's gone. He's loving it. And he killed it. How? Because it's an automatic? I don't know. Oh, we're gonna have a little fun anyway. There I go. Ooh, she's unhappy. And there's old Jacob. Kill it again? Huh? Hey, lean it over. Give some gas. There he goes. Follow me. Get it figured out. Oh, watch him hit a hill climb. You got it. Look, watch me go up it. Watch. Here, take it back down here and I'll start it. What? You can go up that. If you can walk up it, you can ride up it. Come on. Bring it here and I'll start it. And you can get a run at it. If you take this line right here. Come here. You go right there. There's no big rocks, and you're just gonna ride straight up it. It's just a small hill. Come here. I'll show you. So look, you're gonna go right there underneath them limbs, right there, and you'll go right up it. Trust me. Give it a little guess. Oh. There, get on there. Now just go. Go as fast as you can up it. You'll get it. Go, you got it. Go. Heck yeah, attaboy. He's gone. He's leaving me now. You did it, bud. Heck yeah. Give me some. Good job. All right, now. Say something to him. Oh. So we'll just clip this onto your helmet, okay? And you can just talk the entire time. How's that sound? You're the star of this YouTube channel right now.
Oh, wait. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Huh?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
You heard the man. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's see. Now you can talk to him. Ready?
Alright, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, guys, we're going over here. Hold on. Guys, hold on. Hey, you wanna go right down there? Alright. Joseph's going over there. And I'm trying to turn around to go back in the field. Because we're going back in the field. Make sure to leave a like. Okay? Make sure to leave a like. And subscribe. Wait. Hold on. Joseph has to start my bike. Joseph, start my bike, please. Yeah. Joseph, can you start my bike?
Yeah.
Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Oh, boy.
Yeah.
You guys like and subscribe, please. Like and subscribe. Okay, guys, go subscribe there. So, yeah. I know you can't see me, but he turned around. Guys, I fell. Huh?
It took off a little fast on you, didn't it?
Yeah.
I could have got that on camera. How'd that feel?
Not that good. But like and subscribe. I know why I got hurt, because you guys didn't like and subscribe. Guys, please like and subscribe right now, please. I just want to not get hurt. I'm a little child.
How's your leg? You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Alright, you ready?
Don't hit me. Alright, guys. I stopped my bike because my hands hurt. Now slow down. Alright.
You ready?
Alright. We're gonna go again. Alright. Like and subscribe! Woo! Alright, guys. Like and subscribe! Woo! I'm gonna come and do like bikes. Please. Joseph stairs on his house. So please like and subscribe. Freaking don't get hurt. So like and subscribe. Huh?
Go down?
Yes. I went down and I hit my freaking bone on the freaking handle of it.
You good, bud? You good. Come on, let's get back after it. Or let's head back to the house. Either way. I think we're gonna head back to the house. Call it for now. He's cooked. He's cooked. You gonna say something? Say it now. It's hot.
Like and subscribe for this video.
You heard the little man. Like and subscribe for this video. Alright, let's get back to the house.
Alright, hey.
Hang on. Oh, I got sweat in it.
Leave in the comments if you like dirt bikes.
Yeah, leave in the comments if you like dirt bikes. Anything else?
If you want to be in a video, come to our house.
Yeah, no. Stay away from my house. No, you're good. Come on. Alright, we're just gonna end the video here. Ready to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you want to say before we leave?
Like and subscribe for this video, and we're gonna end the video right now.
Catch you guys on the next one.
Catch you guys on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.